2014 Stingray. It's got drop-in pistons, or camshaft, A&A Ti Trim setup, under stock heads still. And it's got headers, meth kit, our fuel system. Owner's been working through some stuff with it, so we got it just ironing it out. So we are working on the tuning. Right now we're going to drop and boost in the upper RPM range. So we're going to keep going at it. So far 776, it's on pump gas still. It's about 11.5 pounds of boost. Yeah, 128, but then it's falling. So it looks like it's definitely belt slip. So I'm sure there's another, at least 50 or 75 in it on pump gas, and then we're gonna mix some E in it and see how far it'll go. The goal is a little over 900. So we'll see. It's a 2014 Stingray, manual trans, still stock rods, stock everything except the pistons in it and the camshaft. Alright, we just tighten the belt. So let's see if it holds boost in the high RPMs. So it looks like a little extra. Made 15 pounds of boost, 864 and 721. It's only 6,500 RPMs, and that is on 93 octane straight pump gas. Alright, so we only got 30% E in the tank, so it's only a few gallons mixed in. And it's still pretty hot today and humid. Here's made 886 and 754.